Welcome back to part 2. Alright, so I rinsed it. Oh, oops. Still need to touch this. Okay. I rinsed it and repeated. Literally just held on with tape. You have to look around in there and see what's going on. But right now, let's work on getting this detached. Eyes are up here. Okay. Oops, coming in from the house. Well, luckily, if you can see colors, let's go through them one at a time. White to white, red to red, brown to brown, yellow to yellow, and green to green. Okay, think you can do that? Then, hold on a second. On your marks, get set. Beep. Alright. Disconnected and out. Now this is ready to go away. I need to figure out how that's going to happen. And I'll show you that in a minute. So, okay. At this point, we have uncoupled the AC unit. This is the intake to the unit, and that is the exhaust to the unit. And hopefully later today, we'll be getting a new unit that I can hook up and tape up and blow cold air throughout the house. That'll be so exciting. So, see you there in part 3. Love it, bye. Go. So, what I'm going to do right now is attempt to get this into the back of this pickup truck. So, what I'm going to do is line this up a little bit straighter and put these boards, well, you'll see it in a minute. Hold on your marks, get set. There we go. Well, that's should be close enough. All right. So now, what we're going to do is put the boards down. Check for camber. Go. Alright, boards are in place. I'm going to pull forward like 2 feet. Okay? So on your marks, you get in the truck. You go. Alright. Now all the nails are on this side. Roll this over. Alright. Now, see what we can do, shall we? Hold on a second. Go. Alright. So far, so good. Let's see if I can set you up here so you can watch me do it. Maybe. Okay. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Okay. See marks? Don't fall over. That's it. That wasn't you. Alright, see what we can do. I'm just circling it. Oh, that's going to be the fun part, isn't it? Wheaties. 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 Not sponsored by Wheaties. Okay. These be good for unloadings. Wow, it's like I know what I'm doing. But I don't. Get these out of the way. See what we're working with here. Okay. Got our power control wires. We have our inlet and outlet ports. And our pad. I'm gonna go ahead and get a broom and get this cleaned up, because we should be getting a delivery today. And just to show you what this one is, where's the date on this thing? You see the date? Where's the date? Alright. Well, anyway, I need to get inside and get cooled off. So, see you more in a minute. Love you. Later in a minute. Bye. Alright, well, guess what? It is here. Alright. This is how we doing it. Check it out. Okay, let me get that rake out of the way. Hold on a second. Alright, here we go. We're getting ready to shove this into the truck. Just wanted to show you how this went down. Right, I got my little gaps under there so that this can slide on here, and then I can ramp it down when I get over there. So here we go. I'm gonna push it on. Bye! Check it out. Let's go! Boy, I just got the other one unloaded just in time. And this worked out perfect, man. He opened this up, and I backed up in place. He set it down right on top of these guys, rolled it in, just pushed it right off. No problem whatsoever. And then I was looking at some of the damage to the shipping boxes. This all just looks like surface. And now let's get it back and get this thing hooked up, shall we? I'm excited because it is a scorcher out here. Woo. Woo, sweet doggies. All right. See you in a minute. Hold on. Love you later. Bye. All right. Well, go. So we're here. We're here. Gonna go ahead and set up the cover first. So, hold on a second. On your marks, get set. Okay, hold on a second. So it is way too hot. Oh, my drinks are done. At least I got the shade set up. So, as soon as I cool down a little bit, I will come back out and do the rest of this. So, I think what's going to happen is, well, I'll have to figure that out. All right, so, show you that in a minute. Okay, your marks, get set.